Hey guys, and welcome to another vlog. Hey guys, so today is a Thursday afternoon. So my partner has already gone for work and I was supposed to have plans tonight. I was supposed to go out to the South Melbourne market with a couple of friends. Unfortunately, things just didn't work out, you know, scheduling and stuff like that. That's fine. But now I'm just left with nothing really to do. So I have to come up with things to do. Fortunately, I do have a lot of videos planned in my head that I want to do, so I could just do that today. This bottle, this is my work bottle. Obviously I haven't been to work because I've been on holidays for quite some time now, but you guys can see it's already started to just chip the paint and it's very disheartening, but that's why I have a spare one just for my Instagram photos. But yeah, got that. Alright, so walking into my filming room, as you guys can see, I've got lipsticks on the floor, just a whole lot of mess. So I filmed last night, didn't really clean it up, so I'm actually going to be filming again later this afternoon, so I'm thinking of maybe doing 3 videos, depending on how things go. And yes, that is my setup for my mirror, so that's where I sit my tripod. I've got my 2 softbox lights, I just sit it up there, and at the moment it's just sitting on a box and a tissue box, because I haven't had a chance to buy a mirror to, you know, just like one of those vanity mirrors. If you guys have any suggestions for vanity mirrors, just let me know. Depending on the budget, I will get one at some point. But yeah, that's my workstation at this point in time. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the filming and the lighting and everything. At the moment I haven't really been using my ring light, so my ring lights, sorry, we still have boxes that we still haven't gotten rid of, but that's my ring light. I haven't really been using my ring lights since I have upgraded to this sort of like setup, just because I feel like the 2 softbox lights are giving me enough light, whereas that one, it is really bright and really good, but I don't know, it just makes the background look really dark. So what I've been doing is these 2 lights in front of me, the ring light just on the back. And so far I've been finding the lighting with that has been really good. So if you guys have been watching my Instagram stories, and I'm not really sure if I've uploaded any of the other videos I've filmed with this current setup, but if I have, I'll link them down in the description box down below, but they're really nice and bright. So while I'm here and you guys can see some of my camera equipment, I might as well show you guys what I use, just briefly. So this is a Rode video mic that I use. I got it off eBay. It's broken, so it's not very good for outdoors. I don't know if you guys can see that. So it's broken, as you guys can see. One of the little stabilizer pieces, if my camera will focus, is broken. So it's really ideal for people that you go outside. This helps stabilize the mic, but because I'm indoors, it's fine. I think I got that for $50. So if you guys are looking for affordable camera equipment and you don't mind it to be slightly damaged or there's like cosmetic wear, check out eBay. This is the camera that I use to film like my makeup videos, my sit down chit chat videos when I'm not vlogging. So this is the Lumix G7. I really like it. It's a mirrorless camera. I used to use a Canon 600D, but yeah, that's what I use now. And a tripod, this is the tripod I'm using. It's the Inca i3978V, so that's what I use, which is really good. It's really tall. I think it goes up to 170 or 180 centimeters, so that's pretty tall. As you guys know, I'm currently filming on the Canon G7X and I'm using a Manfotto like tripod. I'll leave links down in the description box down below in case you guys are interested. But yeah, that was a very informal like what my camera setup is. If you guys would like me to talk like specifics and stuff like that, definitely let me know down in the comment box down below. I'll definitely do that for you guys. Okay, cool. So I just got one of my makeup containers from up there, so that's why we've been keeping some of my makeup storage units. So I've just picked out a couple of things. So I've just taken out things that I kind of want to use in the near future. So just like brushes and lippies, highlighters, some eyeshadow palettes, foundations, and I'm just going to pop them into these, well, Alex drawers. Yeah, my desk is a complete mess, but as you guys probably see on my Instagram, I've been uploading a lot of Instagram makeup tutorials and stuff like that, so I'm kind of running out of ideas, and I've been I feel like I've been using the same palettes every time and the same makeup, so I want to switch it up a bit. So that's why I decided to dig into the collection to grab a couple of things that I have not used in quite some time, so it adds a little difference. Sorry, that's the Christmas tree, by the way. That's laundry that I have to iron, which I'm very lazy about, and this is just a box of rubbish that I've just been keeping there until I'm ready to just throw it all away. So it's a lot of recycling and a lot of just rubbish, so I might do that today as well. So this room is still fairly cluttered, but it's a lot better than what it used to be. Cool, so it is what, 3 in the afternoon now. I'm feeling quite hungry, so I'm going to make some lunch. I sat down watching a few YouTube videos and I thought, probably don't really want to go to the gym, but that could change later. I don't know. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I have just shaved and this is the current situation. So I have been weaning my skin off any sort of like glycolic salicylic acid, so AHAs, BHAs, because I want to try out this peel that I got from Philosophy. So I wanted to just give my skin a break so that I know that it's actually working, and my skin is so my skin, usually I don't have this problem. Like when I shave, I don't have problems bleeding, and I don't have like ingrown issues here. This is where all my facial hair grows, and it's just, ooh, so annoying. And my forehead has like congestion issues, so I have a lot of issues with my skin, and I use glycolic acids to keep them at bay. So hopefully this mask from Philosophy is going to work, and I'll let you guys know what I think about it. So I have just filmed 3 videos essentially. The last one I kind of cried, well, not kind of cried, I actually got teary-eyed. I filmed how I realized I was gay and a little bit of my coming out story, so got a little bit emotional. There was a little bit of bullying in there, so I got a little bit emotional. So yeah, just reapplying some of my eyeliner, and I feel a little bit down now because I just remembered all those horrible things that I had to go through in high school. Like I have forgiven, I have forgiven the people that bullied me when I was younger, because some of them have become my friends. I've forgiven all of that because they were just young and dumb and just didn't know, and just did what everyone else kind of thought was cool, pick on the flamboyant kid. But that being said, the scars are still there and they'll always be there, and every time I look at them or reminisce on that time period, I do feel quite emotional, because it wasn't an easy time in my life, but here I am now, more confident about my sexuality and who I am as a person. So yeah, anyway, I'm just gonna take a few selfies. So I'm using my camera, I'm just using the camera that I used to film, and I've got this app, the Panasonic Lumix app, which basically lets you remotely control the camera. So I can just take the selfies. So if I can just frame myself like that and pose, yeah, it takes a photo. So I'm just gonna take a bunch of them for a few thumbnails, and also stuff that I post on my Instagram. Whew, okay, so I've just taken my makeup off, and I look a little bit weird because these contacts are very, very bright. Without any makeup, it looks a bit harsh. So the oven has just been preheated. I'm just going to make some dinner now. I did defrost a couple of things, and now in the fridge. So I defrosted 2 schnitzels and this chicken breast fillet that I got from Coles. So I'm just going to prep the baking trays, and I'm also going to have chips with these and some vegetables. Alright, so I've had dinner. I thought I would have a shower and then pop one of these things on. So this one is an anti-aging overnight peel, and this one is more of a skin brightening one. So it's supposed to help with pigmentation, dark spots. I do have a bit of pigmentation on my face at the moment, but I'm not really overly concerned about it. I'm more concerned about my congestion issues. So I might try this out tonight. I was reading the back actually. Let me just put it on the chair. The back says, after one use, 74% showed improvement in the look of fine lines and wrinkles. 3 uses within a week, pore size reduction 4 weeks, demonstrated an improvement in Alright, wonderful. So I've just had a shower, I've washed my hair. I don't really know what my hair looks like. It looks very yellow on camera. Anyway, I am going to be putting this thing on my skin. Just opened the box already and it has these cotton rounds. I've also got the micro delivery overnight anti-aging peel. So this is step 1. It says alpha beta hydroxy acid leave on peel solution. The micro delivery overnight anti-aging peel, it's said to saturate it, so I'm just going to really get it wet. I mean, I have been using like salicylic acid glycolic pads, and like I said, I gave them a break, and like my skin can up, and as you guys can probably see, my skin, especially on this side of my face, has just gone to shit. So I'm just gonna let that sink in. I'm just gonna check my phone. Oh, by the way guys, how are you guys liking the Instagram feed? So that's what my feed looks at this point in time. So you guys can see I've got some outdoorsy stuff, some Instagram videos obviously, and some selfies. I've just noticed like flat lays for me, they're okay, but they don't get as many likes, and unfortunately when it comes to turning your social media into a business, it is really important to have those numbers, because that's unfortunately what brands look for. Like if you're worth having them send products and stuff like that too. So unfortunately you have to find, as an influencer, I feel like you have to find the perfect medium of being yourself and also trying to get the numbers as well, because yeah, unfortunately this industry is a very numbers game oriented thing. By the way, the acid didn't really have a smell. If you've ever smelled like acid based products for the skin, it's pretty much the same. Ooh, this is green. Actually, when I first received this, I thought it was just going to be like a one-step thing, like once a week sort of thing that you do. But apparently you do it, use every 2 or 3 nights per week before you apply your moisturizer. So it is quite a lengthy process, but we'll see how this goes. Obviously, I will be vlogging and updating you guys what I think about this peel. So this is more of like a first impressions, just application. So far so good. I don't think there's anything spectacular at this point. So tomorrow I do have plans to go out with friends. I'm going out to see Simon from the Skincare Obsessive and Kat from Kitchenitch Beauty News. But we're going to go out for coffee in Carlton. I haven't seen them in quite some time. I haven't really hung out with them like on a personal level. I've always really just kind of like hung out with them at events, and sometimes I didn't even know that they were going to be there. Like I said, 2017 was very, very hectic for me, and I kind of I wouldn't say abandoned, but I just wasn't very good in terms of keeping. I wasn't very good at keeping in touch with friends, just because I was so busy, and it was pretty much, if I was going to be going to the same event as them, I would hang out with them there. But whenever they would ask me, hey, do you want to take some time to catch up, I never really had time, because I wanted to make time for myself and my boyfriend, and yeah, it was just more of like, just never had the opportunity. But yeah, trying to take advantage of my 3 weeks off, and that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video if you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button if you guys enjoy my videos. I'm currently uploading a video every 2 days in January, and after that I'm pretty much going to go back to my normal schedule of maybe 1 to 2 videos a week after that. Anyway, that's it for me. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.